This is how I got the best hair of my life and got $425 worth of professional products and tools for only $255.
This bundle from NuMe has everything that you need. It comes with 3 amazing products, 2 tools valued at $425. All you're paying is $255. This is the Acai Mask. It's rich with antioxidants, and this is the ReNu21 Restorative Reparative Treatment. It has 21 amino acids. It makes your hair feel like silk immediately. This is the Clout Control. This is going to protect you from frizz. It's going to protect you against humidity and pollutants. Always brush through your product so it's evenly distributed. I'm gonna let my hair air dry so you see how puffy it is. And then I'm gonna go in with the 1-inch Megastar Flat Iron. This flat iron has everything. It has LED red light technology, temperature control, releases negative ions, super long cord, and this is the automatic curling wand. It comes with 3 different barrel sizes. This is the largest barrel size, and you see how fun and you see how easy it is to style your hair and get these gorgeous curls. I'm telling you, this bundle is everything that you need to have healthy, luscious, gorgeous, shiny hair and create any kind of style that you need. Happy holidays, everyone.
This year, give the gift of good hair.